In this video, I will show you how to change your light bulbs on your taillights in 80s, 90s car. Even some brand new cars still have light bulbs in the rear taillights. It's not that hard. It's just a cap you have to remove and then take it out and replace it with a new one, as you will see in this video. There's nothing hard about this. All you have to do is just press on both sides of this holder and pull it out just like that. As you can see, I am missing the light bulb on this side, and also I am missing the light bulb on this side. As you can see, these are just basic small car light bulbs. You can buy at any gas station or car parts store. They cost 50 cents a piece, and all you have to do now is find the thread right there, look at your light bulb, find the pin, then put it in there, push on it, and then screw. You feel when it's inside the place that is holding in, and that's all. And make sure that it's holding on both sides. And there you go. As easy as that, you just saved yourself from going to your mechanic and paying him to fix your taillight. Now you just have to get back into your vehicle, turn on the switch for your lights, get to the back of your car, and boom, you'll see that it's working. If it's not, then there's a bigger problem to it.